Hey there guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be cleaning this steering wheel. And you may have this problem if you have a car with a lot of miles or older, or you know, it happens. So over time, leather steering wheels, they absorb all your oils and all the stuff that's in your hands and everything, and this is probably something I shouldn't be touching, but it just gets in there and gets nasty. Now, I've cleaned this before with just all-purpose cleaner, but that doesn't seem to really get all of the stuff out. And one thing that I found is that a magic eraser, like this one here, can actually remove it really quickly. So all you do is have some all-purpose cleaner here, and I have this just Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaner, and I'm just gonna spray a little bit on there and just gently go over it, and it should take everything off. So let's go for it here and see how it goes. And I did. So got a towel, and you can see already it's made a little bit of a difference here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some more on here. And obviously this is probably not the right way to do this, but I'm just doing it real quick. So, and you don't have to put a lot of pressure, just, you know, just enough to cover the wheel. And if you have a lot of, you know, tight little areas, like you have this little line here where it ends, and then you have the stitching and everything, you can get a one of the little brushes, like a detailing brush, and that'll help get in the smaller areas. Another thing I would say too is to have a towel under you on your legs, and maybe behind the steering wheel, so just in case you don't get any overspray or anything on your car. But as you can see, it's a huge difference. It's a really, really big difference. So, I mean, just from here to here, look at that. Huge difference. And it feels just like it should when it's new. Now, if you have a leather steering wheel, what I'd follow this up with is some conditioner, some leather conditioner. And I use Lexol, and I'll show you that in this video. But let me go ahead and continue. As you can see, it's getting dirtier and dirtier as we go, but that's fine. Lots of nasty in there. And we're just gonna wipe it all off, and you may see some dirt on here, but most of the time it's gonna end up in the sponge. As you can see, it's coming out really nice. Really, really nice. And it feels really nice. There's no slipperiness. That's just absolutely awesome. All right, so let's continue. There's still, you know, I just want to go over it again and make sure I get every little area on here so that it looks really nice. So, you know, you don't want to forget the back, behind the wheel. And another place you can do this is on your gear shift lever. Now, if your gear shift lever is leather, then you could use it on there. This I might be able to use on there. I've seen some videos where people use the magic eraser on, you know, really dirty interiors, if there's scuff marks and stuff that's hard to get off. So that's a possible thing that can be used. And as you can see, I mean, really, like, what a difference. What a difference. So here, while we're here, I'm gonna go ahead and just try this on this and see if that makes any difference. Now here's a little before. A little bit of, you know, it's got like a little grain in it. Probably not gonna make much of a difference, but I'll try it anyway. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. So it did make a little bit of a difference, which is nice. Let's see here. Oops. Yeah, so it did a pretty decent little job there. And leather conditioner. So we're just gonna spray some on this rag. I'm just using the other side of the rag. Like I said, I'm not a detailer, so it may not be perfect, but put that on here. And if you haven't tried Lexol, it is the best. It smells good. It works well. So we're just gonna put only on the leather parts of the steering wheel. Wipe any excess off here. And it came out pretty good. I'd say it looks just like new. So yeah, if you're thinking that you want to try to revive your steering wheel and it looks shiny and dirty, try a magic eraser. It works great.